Hi everyone. So, welcome to day 100. We are on the 100th day that mark a small milestone in this project, right? Also, happy Vijayadashmi to all. For this day, we celebrated this for killing of Ravana and killing for evil and do the good wills. So happy Dasara. Also, happy Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. If Now let's focus on our work. Yesterday we stuck on a problem, the problem of Emmet. Where we stuck on that part? Stuck on the my post part, where we're solving those things. And then today we will resolve that issue. And after resolving that issue, we are almost on the testing of delete post. Then we done with the delete post. We will move towards. We will add one more post, and then we will move toward admin dashboard and try to integrate there. So let's go to Jira first and check the task list. So in the Jira got the update. So in the Jira we are done the search part and we are in the my post part. So we are here. So let's go to code and run the front end and then we will run the backend. This started. So let me open a new tab. Also started. Front end is almost ready. Now let me sign in. Okay, here, here we are, and you can see change, but we get error and error like emit is not defined. So let me, where it was that, it was here. So let me define the error emit. Still it fails that emit is not defined. Let's see, let me try this. Hello, says editing not allowed. That must comes in a alert mode, right? If response dot response code double equals to 200. dot alert, response dot data dot message. Response dot status not status code. Try this change. Right? So this is ready. Now let's try the delete function. Delete failed. Now we got some new error. Why it failed? Post got deleted, but cannot read the properties of undefined filter. So again, it's in the my post where what we do on edit, what we do, we will just fetch the post. Now I don't have any post, so I have to post something. So to post it, let's see, I have some picture that is here. Test image. Let me try this. I've uploaded this, so in my post I have this. Now let me try changed caption. Does it work? Now I got two reference that need to be resolved. So I have to check that it's working. Both the things are working. And when I call this, it just reload everything. So now let me add this and go to admin dashboard part. So instead of home, it is dashboard. Now here we have to add the data for this, and this. Also, so let's mark it as complete first in my post. And now we are in the admin dashboard. We have to move towards that content, the dashboard, this is chart part, a card where we are sending the title and value. So in the script, again we have to import on mount. Where everything is required, we will do one by one. Now first, let me create a function similar to what we did recently, like where we were in my post part. My post. Before my post, where we were in the search. So we created a function. So we will try similar thing in the dashboard here. But let me fetch dashboard data, and there should be no parameter. This is API slash admin slash counts. This API, we will get some data. Now we will call, first let me remove this. This is fetch dashboard data. Now there is no items here. But what we have, we have title value. So let me mark as item, and we will use that for further things. Axios, sorry. So import Axios from Axios. Now here we have done these things. Now const access token equals to dot get item access token. Now it's get 403. The user is not admin, so it is not authorized. So now backend check. So let me log out and log in from the admin first. Let me see what was the admin password. Admin. So now you can see I didn't get those things which should display to admin. So I have to change that as well. I have made these changes as well, but I haven't added the input. No, there is nothing. So console.log items item. Dot value. Now we get the keys as total user. We got these things. So we are getting these things and we will mark this in the cards. And for the graph data, we haven't created that. So let me mark the task. That task will be under API development and that will be marked again as in progress. Let me assign it to this. And now it will become in progress instead of that. And now make this data API tomorrow. And that will be the part remaining. So that's all for today. I hope you understand these things. This is a small session. Enjoy the Dasara. Thank you.